Right, morning everyone. We're off this morning to Aira waterfalls in Penrith. Now, our last adventure to a waterfall was in Snowdonia last year. It's absolutely amazing. And this one we're going to is meant to be the number one. So it's about an hour from site, it's 50 miles. So we take a nice little drive up there, just leaving the site. Thought we'd show you the site as we're coming out because it is very, you've got to take it easy. It's different, little different sections for pitches. The pitch we're on is really level, but the setting of the site is absolutely one of the best we've been to be honest. Let's go over this little bridge. To our left is a nice, we're going to take a look down there later, it's a nice little stream and bits and bobs, but it's what you'd probably expect a site to be within the Lake District. If you've never been in before, you just imagine, you know, it is absolutely A1. Enjoying it so far, Claire?
Yeah, I love it. Very pretty.
Beautiful. Quite a narrow road. As I say, you do have to look like you take your life in your hands. Running the gauntlet. But we'll have a little trudge up there and then we'll catch up with you in a little while. Right, we're about 3 miles from the waterfall, but this is a lovely view. We've just come off the main road and it's a lovely, really lovely view. Quite tight this road to be fair, but it's a lovely, lovely area. What do you reckon, Claire? Rhubarb and custard in your mouth. Yeah, it's lovely. So yeah, we're looking forward to this. Hopefully we can get parked. They say the car park's usually busy anytime after 10:30, but it's not school holiday, so hopefully it'll be alright. What do you think, Claire? Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed, yeah.
Otherwise we come 50 miles for a little drive. So let's see what happens when we get there. What do you reckon of that scenery, Claire?
Beautiful.
We just passed the caravan club site down the road there, so that must have some stunning views for it.
Of course, just a bit.
Cracking. So, out of 10, Claire, Lake District.
10.
10. It's like Wales, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like you said, probably without the rain, but it didn't rain that much in Wales when we went.
Yeah, we were lucky though.
Well, Brecon did.
Wales is known for raining, isn't it?
Cyclist here, look, here he is. Get off the saddle, son. Here he is. He's going for him. He's going to eat him up, chew him up. He's off for him, look. Low gear, son, low gear. Oh, it looks like a bit of a...
Going down now.
Yeah. Going down to come up again.
Wow.
Big climb for them cyclists.
You'd love all that.
Yeah. Right, we parked up at the car park and a lovely National Trust member who was with someone else had a spare car, so we didn't have to pay for car park. But we are going to become a member of the National Trust. Yeah. Little car park took us by surprise actually. We had the postcode for it, but we overshot it. It's only someone else. Lovely view. Look at that view. Road's busy. There's the van. Oh, okay, someone's coming in. Right, let's cross. So we just started to walk, come from the car park and look at this view. Aira waterfalls we're off to. As I said earlier, a member had a spare card for the car park, which is great, but we're going to become members of the National Trust because this is what this is all about. And we saved ourselves $7.50. I'll probably get a couple of bottles of ale now, Claire.
Or a coffee.
Or a coffee. There's no coffee here though, is there? Didn't bring a flask today. So, looks like a straightforward walk to be fair, as in a sense of there's a footpath. There's a lake over there. Oh. Yeah, obviously there's going to be a lake somewhere because where's the water going to go? Where we are, we're going. Aira Aerial Walkway Project. Dog's having a swim, look. Little rock pools and stuff. Claire's in yellow today. Lovely walk. sort of. Sorry? Yeah, they've done the walk before. Yeah, them people.
It's lovely.
Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Right, let's follow the path. Beautiful. Isn't it, Claire? You can just hear the road slightly. There's our view. Current view. We're not at the top, but a little comfort break. Lovely, isn't it? Amazing. It's all what you would expect it to be, and then more. Isn't it? Should we go and climb this mountain?
Yeah.
Or whatever we're doing. Huh? Right, we had some lunch. We're at the summit here. We've got to go that way to the waterfalls, so come on, let's go. That's all right, mate. Beautiful day. Nice Scotch egg for lunch. No coffee though, Claire. Beautiful. So we've just been to the summit, which is Aira Crag, and then we're going to the right. Claire was saying something naughty and rude. I'm not saying it. Right, let's go. Right, we reached the waterfall. 2-hour walk, lovely. What do you reckon, Claire? Huh? Beautiful. You can hear the water. Beautiful. There we go. Ooh, don't look down. There's some renovations done over there, look. What do you reckon? Beautiful. Worth the walk. Should we go up the top and have a look? Yeah. Right, we're sitting on a rock. Little mini fall here. Going down to the big fall. What do you reckon, Claire? Yeah, want some water. So we're at a little mini waterfall. These are cascades. Full cascades. Lovely, isn't it? Nice breeze here. Claire's got a drink. I haven't got a coffee yet. Let's go and get one. This is in our country. Come visit. Life's too short. Get a motorhome or a tent or drive up here and come and have a look at this. Beautiful. Right. We're done. We're just walking back up the hill, back towards the van, this way. So enjoy that, Claire?
Lovely.
Recommend it?
Definitely.
You got to come. It's in our country.
Peaceful.
Get a car, get on a bus, get on the train, drive your motorhome or camper, and get yourself up to the Lake District. Hope you like the video. If you do, give us a thumbs up. Love to subscribe. I can always get that right. Love you to subscribe to our channel. Please do. The more the merrier. If you've got any...
Not having coffee.
All that? No, I've had 2 this morning. Leave some comments down the bottom. Say what you reckon of the video.
Feel free to ask him if he has his coffee fixed when we get back.
Take care. See you soon.